What is up and welcome back to Voodoo. This is actually the end of the day. We got everything pulled in, but a package just came in, so we gotta see what's inside. And yes, it has everything to do with the R8. Shout out to our friends over at Euro Tuning who heard that we needed some aero for the upcoming SEMA show and came in strong with the guys over at Maxton Design. Maxton makes fantastic aero for the Gen 1 R8 platforms at a very affordable price, and the guys over at Euro Tuning are some stellar dealers that have decided to hook us up with that aero. Obviously, we need a front splitter. God, I can't do this. Oh, thanks, Ed. Look at this thing. So this is gonna go on. We really like the design of it. It's got like that double wall stack to it, and this is gonna be in gloss black to match the other parts on the R8 that we've painted black. And what good would a front splitter be without a complete look with the side skirts that are gonna go on right here? So all the way around, it's gonna have Maxton Design aero. Thanks to the guys over at Euro Tuning. Yes, we will have install footage of that, so you know how to put it on your car if you decide to throw some of this on your R8. Okay, we time travel. What a great day it is. Speaking of wheels and tires, new Vossen wheels have shown up in time for SEMA. Vossen currently has a set of wheels on the R8 now. These are their HF7s, Hybrid Forge 7, and we are swapping them out for the HF3s. So you guys will see what these look like pretty soon. All right, let's open the new APR carbon wing. This thing's as tall as I am. That's a big wing. All right, we got the APR wing off the last step, and we have the new wing inlets here, so they follow the body lines of the R8 a little bit better instead of the square ones. They do have a couple different options. This is the one that I went with. I do have to get another Voodoo decal made for this and another Ticket Dismissers decal made for the bottom, but at least for right now. The wing is on, the airbox is back in, and the car is ready to go. We will be swapping out these Vossens soon for the other Vossens, just not quite yet. Okay, the time has finally come to put a flame kit on the R8. Now, thanks to HG Tuning, we're already shooting crazy fire when I'm driving under load. So that means when I downshift, you can get the pops and bangs or shoot fire, but if I'm free revving or if I'm in a neutral position and try to rev it, there's absolutely no flames until now. Kaylin's gonna test it before we put it all back together. I'm gonna go inside, rev it up to red line. Hit together, which activates the spark plug, and ideally we should have some big flames coming out the back. Does it look cool?
So this one flamed on that last hit.
Oh yeah? I think it seems to be hot. We have to do something with a spark plug where basically we've inserted the spark plug inside the exhaust tip. So that way when the fuel is coming through in neutral, there's something there to ignite it. So what Kaylin has done, well, Kaylin, why don't you explain?
What this does is it's gonna bypass the factory ignition coils, basically turning those off, causing nothing but fuel going through the cylinders and into the exhaust, and it's gonna power this ignition coil that's gonna ignite the spark plugs and give you flame out the exhaust.
But in the meantime, we've got this set up. Go ahead and touch it to
This is like a test rig to make sure everything's gonna function the way it needs to be. We put power and we get a coil fire right there. Ooh, that got me a little bit.
Do it again. And Kaylin wants me to touch it. The spark plug.
It's gonna make it jump a little bit.
It looks like it's gonna hurt. And then I'm gonna hold his hand so Matt can feel it too. Awesome. You wanna feel the This feels really tough.
You grab it, don't touch your thumb.
Grab it?
Well, at least like, you palm it.
Like
palm it.
Oh! Let's do it again.
Ready?
Yeah. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Really? Do it again, dude. Okay, that stinks.
It barely gets
me. Do you really?
I feel
touch
it. No, I'm good.
I
got what I wanted.
Kids these days.
Feel your whole arm light up.
Muscle damage.
Run into a few problems, but I think we got it. Kaylin's got his switch right here. Show him the switch, Kaylin. All right, so he's gonna rev it up, and as it's coming down, he's gonna hit that button, and that's gonna ignite for flames. So we're gonna test this, see if it works. All right, hit it. Big flames. Oh, this poor cable. It's okay, it's fine. Dang, that was so sick. God. All right, wait. Show me what you did. It totally works, dude.
We're gonna mount it somewhere. Right now, we just got the ejecto seato, so we'll try it out.
All right. All right, it's what time, 11? 11 o'clock, shop closes at 6. Been working on this since 10 a.m. Was it worth it?
We learned a lot. Yes, it was worth it.
And we can do this on more cars. If you want a flame kit, slide in the DMs. I'm gonna put our handle up here in the sky. Just DM us and tell us the make and model of your car, and we'll let you know the availability of the flame kit. But let's see what this thing's doing. All right. Yo, and the ejectocito switch. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're doing crazy stuff like this all the time, and that's not even the last thing we're doing to this R8, and there's an R8 sitting right in front of me that's gonna get that flame kit next. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.